The legal battle continues tonight over the national mask mandate on public transportation. Health officials say they expect the city's COVID alert level to rise in the coming days for the first time since the Omicron wave. Briella Tomasetti is here now with a closer look at what that could mean for New Yorkers. Briella?
Yeah, Lori, good evening to you. And right now, the BA2 variant accounts for about 80% of COVID-19 infections across the entire state. At least 5 neighborhoods here in New York City are seeing double-digit positivity rates. The good news to report, though, is that BA2 has yet to drive up hospitalizations or fatalities.
We're preparing to move into medium risk. It's not a fait accompli.
As coronavirus cases rise yet again, New York City is on the cusp of moving from low risk to medium risk. But Health Commissioner Dr. Ashwin Vasan's advice to New Yorkers remains the same.
Take precautions, choose to mask yourself indoors. Get tested frequently.
The city debuted a new 4-tiered color-coded alert system in March to track the threat of COVID-19 using green, yellow, orange, and red. Right now, the city still falls under the green or low-risk category. But the surge in cases driven primarily by the BA2 subvariant is expected to push that alert level up to yellow or medium risk any day now.
This particular variant happens to be the most contagious variant that we have seen thus far. Fortunately, it is not necessarily more dangerous.
So the question remains, what restrictions will the city enact in response to the increased threat? Mayor Adams has repeatedly mentioned that he's not ready to reinstate an indoor mask mandate, but he is still encouraging New Yorkers to wear one.
Many people don't talk about how well, when you look at our city in comparison to other cities, how well we are managing the surge through masks. We're managing it through boosters.
The Justice Department is appealing a federal judge's order that struck down the country's mask mandate on planes, trains, and travel hubs in light of CDC guidance that argues masking up remains necessary to protect public health. But no matter what happens with the federal mask mandate, New Yorkers still have to wear face coverings on subways, buses, trains, and taxis.
We're not at that comfortable place yet, but we will. When we're at that comfortable place, we're going to shift, but we're not there yet.
It's unclear, though, if President Biden will ask the appeals court to grant an emergency stay, especially after Press Secretary Jen Psaki said in a recent briefing that people are not legally bound to wear masks at this point in time. Lori.
All right, Briella, thank you.